Hey guys, we're going to show you how to replace a battery on a Ford Smart Remote. So we're going to take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here, pull it out, and with the same emergency key, there's a slot right here that you put in the emergency key in and then twist it, just like that. That's the battery, CR2450. Grab a flat screwdriver and there's a little hole right here that you can pry out the battery like that. So you guys can see CR2450. Put the battery back in there, make sure it's in place. Just put the cover back, make sure everything clicks, and just put the key back just like that. Thank you for watching.